Hey guys, it's Lindsay with Chalk Palette, and today I wanted to show you a fun layered transfer project. So I'm going to be using our Buffalo Plaid, but first, before we start out, I want to make sure that my chalk paste is a good consistency. Because chalk paste is air hungry, it can thicken up and dry out over time. You just have to spray it with water and mix it up to make it usable again. And once you have it to a good consistency, you can go ahead and spread it across your design. I'm going to go ahead and pull off my Buffalo Plaid. I did use this transfer on a rug, so the transfer itself is kind of hammered, but I like the vintage look that it gives me. Before applying the rooster, you want to make sure that your bottom layer is dried thoroughly, so I did wait and blow dry it to make sure that it's nice and dry before starting, and then you're going to want to go ahead and put chalk paste throughout your rooster design. And I am going to work with the peel and pull motion, so this means I'm going to cover a good portion of it in the chalk paste while the chalk paste is wet, and then peel it up as I go. It's especially important when you're doing layered projects like this that you don't let your chalk paste dry while you're working with your chalk transfer, because it will pull up the paste beneath this layer. So it'll pull up the plaid if I work too slowly. So you just want to work in a timely manner. Then I'm going to add my Farmer Market. I am loving how this one's coming together, and it has taken me in real life 13 minutes to complete the project, and I just think it's the perfect farmhouse look. What do you guys think? Too cute, right?